As artificial intelligence advances, the conversation around AI job replacements becomes more crucial. Employment sectors are evolving rapidly, reshaping career landscapes globally. Understanding the nuances of AI's impact on jobs requires a deeper dive into data and trends. Job displacement is a reality, but the narrative often overlooks the opportunities AI brings for upskilling and reskilling. The fear of AI replacing jobs is valid, but it's essential to acknowledge the dynamic nature of the workforce. AI isn't just a threat to employment, it's a catalyst for innovation and transformation. Navigating the future of work demands a proactive approach to learning and adapting to technological shifts. Unveiling the truth about AI job replacements reveals a nuanced narrative beyond simplistic dichotomies. Embracing AI's potential means embracing a future where human skills and AI capabilities complement each other. Striking a balance between automation and human ingenuity is key to thriving in the digital era. AI's role in reshaping industries underscores the importance of continuous learning and adaptability. The conversation around AI job replacements isn't just about loss, it's about evolution and reinvention. Stay informed, stay adaptable, and stay ahead in a world where AI and human potential converge. Thank you for watching. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe for more insights on AI and tech trends. Final YouTube sign-off sentence.